Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes, welcome back to another episode of Shelby's Garage. So today I'm electrodispositioning brass to purify copper. So around here the brass price to recycle is about $1.60, and then copper to recycle is about almost $3. And then zinc is about $3.50, and then nickel is like $1.80. So if I separate brass, I will make into copper and the other metals, I'll make tons more money by doing that. And so, anyways, I'm going to show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And seems like it's working pretty good. It's the first time I've ever done it. But let me show you what I'm doing. Alright, I'm an idiot, and if I can do something, a trained monkey definitely can. And if a trained monkey can, that means you surely can. But it doesn't mean you should or need to do this. Should you still decide to do it, please don't hold me or YouTube responsible if anything bad happens. I'm telling you right now, it is very simple for something very seriously bad to happen. Please don't do this. Anyways, back to the video. Alright, so here in my solution, I have about 20% sulfuric acid. I have about a tablespoon of copper sulfate pentahydrate, which is a root killer, and then so in the middle, and then water. And so in the middle, I have a plastic coffee filter with the plastic edges, and then I have a paper coffee filter lining that. Okay, and so now I have a brass MIPT by Barb there in the middle. It's just a scrap metal piece I have. And then I'm doing this in a stainless steel bowl. And so what's happening is the copper is coming out of the brass and going into solution and then plating out onto the outer rim of the bowl. And so I have, this is my supply, my power supply, which is just a computer power supply, and I'm running it on the 5-volt standby setting. And yeah, so you can see the edge, it's coming out pretty good. This is about 2 or 3 minutes into it, and I will keep updating it in the process of see how long it takes for this one piece to dissolve to almost nothing. And so yeah, and just to say, the cathode is the bowl and the anode is the brass piece. So I mean, red, black, just kind of just to point it out. And then also right here I've got a potentiometer to change my voltage if I down the line see that it's plating out more than just the brass. Because what should happen is, or the copper, I mean, what should happen is the copper will plate to the stainless steel bowl, and then the other metals should just drop out into the filter. And so then when it's all dissolved, I pull this coffee filter out, and then I'm left with just the purified copper in the bowl, and then it just scrapes right off the edges, lickety split, and then purified copper. And it should be 99.5% pure. And then you can do it again to go up to 99.9% pure, I believe. Anyways, I will be back with an update. Well, it's been about 30 minutes, and see if you can see the threads good. You can see it's eroding it real quickly. Yeah, and the edges are getting pretty thick. Kinda neat. Wonder how long this piece will take. At this rate, I'm guessing 6 hours or so. But yeah, neat. Well, I switched how it was, so now I'm hanging in there a little better. It's been about an hour and a half now, and about at least a half hour of that I was screwing around with it. So I'd say I have total soak time of about an hour now. So, but moving right along, you can see building up. Yep. Well, it's been about 2 days and that's still what's left. So, sulfuric acid, no worky, so good. I read online that hydrochloric acid is the one to do, so that's what I'm going to try next. So we'll see how that does. Well, on second thoughts, maybe it did work. The way I messed up was I should have weighed the part before and after. Well, lesson learned, so that way I know what to do that on the next one. Because it looks whole, the part does, but obviously I pulled a lot of stuff off of it. Yeah.